Hi, today we're going to be making some Pao Chicken. So here are the ingredients right in front of me. So first we have some diced up chicken. So in this particular demo, I'll be using some boneless thighs, and we will be marinating it with some light soy sauce, Chinese wine, white pepper, egg, and some tapioca starch. If you don't have any tapioca starch, you can also use cornstarch. Okay? For the other ingredients for the stir fry, we have some garlic, uh, thin slices of celery, some peanuts, some dried chili peppers, and for the sauce, we have some regular soy sauce. We will also be using some light soy sauce, some Chinese cooking wine, a little bit of vinegar, sesame oil, some sugar, and some more tapioca starch to thicken up the sauce. Okay, so to start marinating the chicken, we have the chicken pieces, some white pepper, okay, some Chinese cooking wine, okay, light soy sauce, and at this point we want to massage all the flavors in. Okay. We want to make sure that all these flavors are mixed properly and that the chicken absorbs all of them. So, and you can see, dry. Chicken has absorbed most of these flavors. Now, in order to seal all these flavors in the chicken, so we add in some egg. So, and it's best to use your hand when you're doing this. This is a Chinese technique called velveting. Okay. After this, we add in some tapioca starch. Cornstarch will also do fine. And let the chicken marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Give it a chance to absorb all these flavors. Okay. Alright, so while the chicken is marinating, the next thing that we're gonna do is to make the sauce for it. Okay, so while the chicken is marinating, we're gonna be making the sauce, starting with some sugar, probably about 1.5 teaspoons of plain granulated sugar. Next would be some tapioca starch. So in this case, we are already making the sauce together with the slurry. So to thicken up the sauce later on, so we don't have to add any more slurry in the end. Okay, little bit of vinegar. Okay, regular soy sauce. Light soy sauce. Chinese cooking wine. Mix it together. And a little bit of cold water. And so the only thing that's missing in this sauce is the white pepper and sesame oil, which I will add later on during cooking. Okay. All right, so let's see how the chicken's doing and see if we can start cooking. Okay, so we have a pan that's preheating. So when the pan is hot, that's the time we add in some oil. It's a little bit more oil than we need because we need to fry the chicken and the peanuts first. Okay, so when the oil is hot, then we start adding in our chicken pieces. Okay. So when the chicken pieces are done, take them out of the oil. Get my strainer. Peanuts. Okay, after we fry the peanuts, so all goes into a strainer together with the chicken. Next, a little bit of oil. Put in the garlic. Some of the dried chili peppers. So if you want them spicy, you can break it apart. If you don't want them too spicy, then you can just leave it whole. Okay. Some of the celery. Okay, in goes the sauce that we made earlier. A little bit of stock. white pepper. Sauce is coming along nicely. Then we put the chicken in, chicken and peanuts in. Toss it around. A little bit more stock. And sesame oil. Time to plate. Okay, so now it's time to plate our Kung Pao chicken. Okay, nice, easy Kung Pao chicken recipe. Bon appetit. Till next time.